Hello and welcome back to Tea's Christmas Villages. The 2025-26 season is over. My Christmas village is completely dismantled and packed away once again into my storage unit. As I was dismantling it this year, I was making use of my Christmas present from my children. Actually, it's a combination Christmas present, birthday present. I had a big birthday last year. And I was using this 3D printer to make myself trays for my totes. They fit exactly into the totes, and they're trays that were stackable. And in these trays, I laid all the village people and all the village accessories. I still wrap the houses and buildings in bubble wrap and put them in totes separately. And of course the trees and all the other accessories in different totes. But I had about 2 less totes this year than normal, so it does help with the saving of the space. So this year I'm going to be concentrating on making more buildings and accessories for my medieval Christmas village using my 3D printer. And I purchased this on sale, on the Boxing Day sale, which was wonderful. And I've been using it ever since. Now on the top you see an AMS, which holds 4 different reels of different color filament. You can choose whichever color or maybe a combination of colors when you print a project. My color of choice at this point is gray. I have a fair number of gray filaments, spools of filament, which I'm using. And at the moment I am building a block of medieval houses, which will serve really well in my new medieval village. Once the project is completely printed, and it's been taking 2 days to print this, I will be painting it. I'll show you step by step of how I do this. Now, this is a new hobby for me. It's really creative. I really enjoy doing this. But at the moment, all I'm doing is picking out models to print. Models that other people have designed. And becoming acquainted with the ins and outs of this printer. It's not a hobby that I'm going to be using forever. I am already 75 years old, and I can see a limit to how much I can use this hobby, this printer, to build for my Christmas village. However, at the moment it's all engrossing and I'm really enjoying myself. While I'm enjoying working on building things for my village, I really hope to branch out into designing. That's where my real love is. I'm actually a graphic designer by nature. I took a lot of art courses in high school, and I've really enjoyed art and all of the things that you learn while you're learning how to create different projects. But I would really like to learn how to design the models, and in order to do that I would have to learn a new software, new to me, software package called AutoCAD. There's variations of that software program for use in making models, but I hope to design my own models eventually. When I get into the designing of the models, I'm going to always keep in mind what I have in my imagination for my medieval village. This year I adapted a few things to it, but it didn't really turn out exactly as I would have wished, because it was still in fact a Dickens village rather than a medieval village, which is what I'm really aiming for. And of course, I hope to help other people learn how to make models for what it is that they really desire to have for their villages, or any other application of using models. Train model railroads, you know what I mean. And medieval villages, I mean miniature villages of any kind. There are people that do Halloween villages, there are people that do Hogwarts villages, there's people that do Four Seasons villages. This is all something that you can use to fulfill your imagination. And that's what I really like about this. It really gets the creative juices going. It really gets the excitement for what it is that you love to do and love to see going. And this is the instrument of choice. See you next time. Bye.